Hi guys, and welcome back to Tarot Page Philippines. And sa video na to, gawin natin ang weekly horoscope para po sa may mga sun, moon, and rising sign na Aries. If you're new, please subscribe, like, and share. Ngayon, kung hindi nyo po alam yung inyong sun, moon, at rising sign kasi importante siya, sa end po ng video, we have a link for this. By the way, this is for March 31 to April 6. And tanda natin the readings na gagawin po natin. They're for guidance purposes. Use your free will wisely. And also, I'm inviting you guys na i-click po yung join button sa baba and be a member para magkaroon kayo access sa ating mga exclusive videos and extended readings and other additional perks. And also, sa mga gusto kailangan po ng private readings or spellworks, message our page and may admin po tutulong sa inyo. For donations, you can use the thanks button sa baba, yung parang heart. Alright, so how are you? So, why things are falling apart? So, we have here the Empress and building blocks. Alam mo, parang ganito yung pwede kong description sa'yo. May isang malaking puno ng balite. Pero deep inside, madaming anay. There are things that is eating you from the inside. May mga bagay na sobrang kinikim-kim mo. May napanood ako movie, I think Central Intelligence yata yung movie. Comedy naman siya, pero may part kasi doon na nagkaroon ng heart-to-heart talk yung dalawang protagonist. Sabi nung isa, lahat daw ng mga traumas niya, lahat ng mga heartaches niya, kinompress niya into one ball, tapos daw, binaon niya. Unfortunately, it did not work it did not do him any good. Kasi although nag-develop siya from isang matabang tao into a person talagang well-built yung katawan, yung emotions niya hindi naging maayos. Nagkaroon pa rin siya ng trust issues, andun pa rin na nagtitiwala pa rin siya sa mga maling tao, making the wrong decisions, andoon na-ignore niya yung tao na gusto siya at gusto rin niya. So, andoon na that cycle, although on the outside, okay, but in the inside, hindi. So, ito yung gustong i-touch ngayon ng universe sa end mo. But what is keeping you from doing that? So, we have here is the Four of Swords, tsaka si Soulmate. Nandun kasi na siguro as an Aries, as a natural leader, ay magkaroon ka bigla ng mindset na bawal ka magpakita ng weakness. Bawal ka manghingi ng help. Na natatakot ka na baka mamaya isipin ng tao na pabigat ka, may mga ganong iba sa inyong concept or others iba sa inyo yung isip na baka mamaya kasi isipin nila wala namang kwenta yung concern ko o really may concern sa'yo, o baka mamaya masira ang image mo. Ang dami mong iniisip na gano'n na that's causing you anxiety. Remember the future, sabi nga doon sa movie na Aeon Flux, the future is a flux. Nagbabago yun. Nothing is really written in stones about the future. Kasi every decision we do, every actions we make, na-alter yung future natin. So, but however, ang nangyari kasi, you are focusing on this. Nag-focus ka doon sa negativity that it is causing you to manifest it. And yun nga, kinocompress mo into one ball lahat ng emotions mo. And that is preventing you para ma-develop into a person na dinidesire ng universe. So, well, if you need professional help, you may seek on that if dun man course ng heart mo. Pero kung kailangan mo nang it could be for healing spell or for banishing, then you can contact us sa page natin. We could help on that one. Now, sa desire card mo kasi, we have here the Queen of Cups and flexibility. Alam mo, dude, tulad na sabi ko kanina, nothing is written in stones, even the future. And same thing then, our plans is always, prone yan na masira, prone na maging hindi mangyari. kahit na well-planned natin. Why? Human error. Kasi andoon na there are also people around who is influencing yung ating ang ating mga decision makings. So the cards yung desire mo na gusto mo dapat kung ano yung ito yung pinlan mo from point A to point B, C, dapat ganon. You need to be open that there will be flaws along the way. Pero ito yung maganda with regards to flaws, yung mga pagkakamali. Madaming mga inventions tayo na produkto ng pagkakamali. Example na yung parang naalala ko yung sa post-it pad, ginagamit natin. Ang purpose talaga ng scientist that time was to create a very strong glue. Ending yun nga. Pero, very helpful siya, especially in work scenarios. Like, ako ginagamit ko yung post-it pad. So, it really is a good thing. So, but, originally, hindi naman talaga yun ang target. Chocolate chips, cookies, yan. Hindi rin naman yun yung, it was also created out of an accident, out ng pagkakamali. So, you need to be open that there will be things that could go wrong, but in those things na nagkakamali tayo or may mga maling bagay, meron doon magandang kakalabasan. Because at the end of the day, all things will work together for good. Now, yung foundation mo say not for you, tsaka 7 of Cups. Bakit kailangan, may iba sa inyo, may mindset na bawal ako maging masyadong masaya kasi baka mamaya may kapalit na kalungkutan. Stop. That is what that is a manifestation. Do not declare that to yourself. Huwag mong i-person na ito yung nangyari dapat kapag naging masaya ka, ito yung magiging kakalabasan. No, it does not work that way. In the law of attraction, pinaka-basics niya, what you feel, what you think, what you say and do is your reality. Yun yung i-call mo sa'yo. So this time, kailangan mo magkaroon ng shift of mindset, the shift of emotions. Technically, pinakailangan dito is more on the healing side of your emotions. Kasi andoon yung core, andoon yung soul mo Yun yung pinaka-ikaw na nasa loob. So, it is time that you give time as well para asikasuin yung important part ng pagkatao mo yun. Now, sa taas na prominent na sa'yo, we have here the Page of Cups and Regeneration. So, andoon na, try mo na, ang nangyari kasi parang ganito with regards sa mga emotions na binaon mo, pinipilit mo na lang na para to cope up with it. Pinipilit mo na sanayin yung sarili mo na, pinipilit mo masanay na gano'n yung situation. Which is, no, it's a big no So, pinapala sa ito ng cards na, hindi magandang practice yun. Just like yung may mapad ako sa isang series, yung sa MMK, sa yung sila na pala yung kidney niya, hindi niya pa alam. So yung blood pressure niya sobrang tumataas. Tapos sabi niya, ba't wala daw siya nararamdaman? Ang sabi ng doktor, kasi yung katawan mo sobrang nag-a-adjust na hindi mo na napapansin. So same thing with your emotions. You don't need to really adjust with it. Hindi mo kailangan masanay na ganon yung situation mo. You just need to ask the universe to touch you, to heal you. And healing is always available, kahit kanino. Now, sa possible future na ikaw, we have here, ganda, Magician and Serendipity. Madami din pa rin sa inyo na pipiliin na, I want this change. Gusto ko nang bitawan tong mabigat na dinadala ko. Gusto kong i-unload yung mga nararamdaman ko because mabigat na. And andoon na minsan, kasi nga nasanay tayo na ganun yung ginagawa, na after pag in-unload na siya, andoon na maramdaman natin na, hala, ang gaan pala sa pakiramdam. Bakit ko ba pinili or sinanay yung sarili ko? So, it will be a worth it experience kapag in-unload mo na yung mga emotional turmoils, the traumas of the past. You will find release. You will find even healing in this process. So, kung nakaka-resonate ka sa readings natin, invite kita, i-click mo yung join button sa baba para magkaroon ka ng access sa exclusive and extended readings po natin. Pero for now, tapusin natin yung reading mo. So, tuloy natin siya. Your physical environment is the Knight of Swords and the Poise. Yun na nga, Poise. So, we're trying to show other people, we're trying to showcase na we're all good, uh, na everything is okay, maayos naman ang mga bagay-bagay, walang problema. Pero, parang alam mo, parang ginawa, yung pader na sira, nilagyan ng plaster. Yan, una okay yan. Pero pag tumagal yan, maglilik na yan, lalabas na yung mga issues o lalabas na yung mga problema. So, dalawa lang yung option available doon. So, either, una-una, ayusin na talaga siya, yung long-term na ayos, o yun na naman, band-aid na naman. Aris, band-aid helps, pero hindi yun ang long-term solution mo. Parang sugat na pagsugatan, hindi yan dapat tinatapalan agad ng band-aid. The long-term solution is for it to be cleansed para ma-disinfect, saka nalagyan ng band-aid or ng proper medication para magsara, para maayos yung paghilom. Yun yung kailangan gawin. Facing it. Because your emotional environment is the Ten of Wands and exchanging gifts. Actually, this card represents your emotions eh. Yung symbolism niya. Ang daming bit-bit, ang daming dinadala, and you just want to let it go. Pero hindi mo alam pa paano. Kasi nga, babalik tayo dito, because of the card of the Poise. Andoon na, you're showing that you're a fighter. Sabi ni Knight of Swords, na everything is okay. Alam mo yun, mas mahirap na yung ginagawa mo na kinikip mo yung mga emotions na yun eh, kasi it requires a lot of effort kumpara sa pagiging honest. And when you start to be honest, you show signs of integrity. Yes, may mga magtataas ang kilay dyan, may mga bulungan sa gilid. Pero those people na talaga malaking respect sa'yo, mas tataas pa yung respect. People who are really concerned about you will rally to help you. Doon makikita talaga sino ba talagang makakampi mo at sino ba yung mga Poncio Pilato na kailangan mo na talagang walisin. Walis daw. Walisin, palabas sa buhay mo. Walisin natin. Now, your hopes and fears is the Wheel of Fortune tsaka Time for a Nap. Okay. Walang masama magpaka-busy tayo sa mga ginagawa natin. Kasi you want to have that sense of accomplishment eh, na, natapos ko to. Perfect. I'm good. I'm great. Okay yun. Pero, hindi kasi sa lahat ng oras, being busy will really help. Sabi nga eh, the problem will not solve itself unless you face the problem. Diba? Hindi naman ba pag in-ignore natin yung bagay na yan, magically mawawala siya. No. Through courage helps us to face what we need to face. And changes na gusto mo, that can only happen kapag hinarap mo muna yung mga bagay sa nakaraan mo. And that yung emotions na pinagsiksikan mo dyan na ibaon. Now, the possible future, we have here the King of Wands, tsaka C, to be fair. Okay. So, ano ba natin sa pwedeng maging future mo? Andun kasi na na magkakaroon ng shifting. Magkakaroon ng changes in paano ka ititreat ng mga tao. Andoon na medyo yung iba in a positive note, pero meron silang underlining na agenda. Meron silang ibang sabihin natin na binabalak na in a way, hindi masyadong kaaya-aya. So, this will be allowed by the universe kasi this will be another filtering system para sa'yo. At it will be a way for you to showcase who you really are. So, kailan ba itong mangyayari? At ano ba yung mga hindi na magandang plano? And who could be possibly itong mga taong to? I-check natin siya sa extended reading mo. Para mapanood mo yun, i-click mo yung join button sa baba. Tandaan din natin yung mga naging readings natin. They are for guidance purposes. Use your free will wisely. At if you're new, subscribe, like, and share. So, Aris, maraming salamat sa iyo. God bless, Namaste, Hare Krishna, and blessed be, and hope to see you sa extended readings. Mula po dito sa Dominican Hill in Baguio City. Have a great day. I'll see you soon po. Bye for now.